right, welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. All right, I am yours truly, Diva Laree with UNA University and UNA Republic. Today, we're talking about UNA summer enrollment. All right, UNA summer enrollment. Okay, so let's get on this thing. What are we dealing with now? You all know we have the university. Why do we have the university? We have the university so that you all can learn how to use all of these powerful tools that we're showing you how to bring into effect. Okay, we talked about being a member, so I'm going to go over this first. All right, we talked about being a member of UNA and what it consists of. So when you become a member of UNA, you are joining a group that is sovereign. UNA, United Nations from America, is a sovereign entity, and we stand under God. All right. So we're, as I told you guys before, we're set up, it's called a religious organization, but we deal with the spiritual side. Now, there are advantages to using the term religious because when you are under that title, then the state has no business with you because there are laws that come from your God and the state has to recognize that. So that's why it's important to understand what UNA is as a sovereign entity. All right. So we operate under our God, and those who are not, who are part of the U.S. corporation who call themselves citizens, your God would be that corporation, whether you recognize it or not. So that's the difference. That's why that religious title has so much power and authority. Now, with that being said, the trust documents that we talk about, these documents actually are set up in such a way whereby you are standing under your God. This is not about you joining and becoming part of UNA and you standing under us. That's not how that works, okay? The way it works is that you are standing as a sovereign and UNA, another sovereign, is recognizing you as a sovereign. All right. So now let's take a look at something. These are the trust documents we talked about. Okay, trust. If you know anything about trust, when you start talking about, well, how the rich get to do this and how the rich don't have to pay taxes and how the rich, the information that we show you is elite knowledge. These documents that I'm showing you, these are elite knowledge. This is how they get to do what they do, and we're introducing to you that information. This is a trust package. This trust package, it comes with a UCC, a declaration, which are sealed. So you see both of them have a seal here. Those are UNA seals where once again we're recognizing you. Also has a security agreement. These are the documents that we put in our trust. So once again, you're going to have these documents that come with your membership with UNA. And we want you have to stand as a sovereign. By the way, let me say this, because a lot of people, and I've said this before, they're thinking that, oh, no, I just want to get with this other group, then I'm going to be protected under them. You cannot be ignorant and expect freedom. You cannot be ignorant and expect freedom. Ignorance and freedom do not coexist. They're like this. They're not friends. They don't see each other. And so if you're wanting to have freedom, you got to be willing to have the knowledge. All right. So it's this paperwork and this documentation is wonderful. It's powerful. This is why we create it for you. But you have to know how to use it. You got to have knowledge about it. And all that being said, so you're not coming under UNA just to be under UNA and you not really know or understand how to stand on your own. It's important that you recognize what the laws are and how to affect them for yourself. So again, you are a member, and this is not us being in control of your possessions or owning you or anything you own. This is us helping you to control it and own it for yourself. All right. So you got the trust documents. Okay. You also have the allodial ID. This comes with your photo. It's got your spiritual name because we're dealing with you on a spiritual level. Okay. It's got your barcode. So you'll have a federal ID number as well as a barcode. This barcode, when it's scanned, it'll take you directly to the site where you can get all of your information concerning your trust. So then you have the exemption badge. The exemption badge has your corporation name on it. This came in handy with a lot of our members who were dealing with companies trying to force them to have this jab. Okay? When you stand under your God and your God says you don't have to take part in that, then the system and the agents of the system have to back off. With the membership package, There's a trust. Okay, it comes with a trust that, and the documents are sealed. Your declaration, UCC, and security agreement, they're sealed in here. It comes with your allodial ID, and this has your federal ID number as well as a barcode for the UNA registry, so you can get your documents from the UNA registry. It comes with an exemption badge, and this deals with your corporation name. So once again, if your corporation is telling you and trying to force you into do certain things with your vessel that you don't want to do, you stand up this document here. Also, this shows you as a member of UNA. All right. We're enrolling for the university on the 16th of July. That's our summer season. Okay, we got 3 wonderful classes. I'm excited about it. We've got contract writing. All right, we're going through showing you how to write a contract, to sue somebody, to get funds back, any of that stuff. You need to learn how to write a contract. Power of the pen is the name of it. POP. Power of the pen. Because you've got to learn how to use that pen. That is where all of your power comes from. And when you learn how to write a contract, people are going to talk to you different. They're going to look at you differently. The other class, history, what you never learned. We're going into these esoteric information that has been hidden from us, where people are making other people seem like they are something that they're not, when they're telling you that all so-called black people came over here as slaves. We got to go into this. We're going deep into it. And we got receipts, baby. So if you was ever in school and they were teaching you history, you were like, this some BS. I just don't. It doesn't make sense because it wasn't true. It didn't make sense because it wasn't true. We're going into the truth about what really happened. And I got receipts. Our other class is called Purity of the Vessel. Mind, body, and spirit cleansing. That's going to be a beautiful class. It's one of our newer classes where we're showing you how to cleanse these energies from your spiritual essence. How to, what's going on with the foods. Now, we don't tell you how to eat. We just tell you what it's going to do to you. All right, if you're eating this, if you're eating that, what does it do to your vessel? What does it do to your vessel when you're listening to certain types of music, when you're saying certain types of things? What does it do to you? And understanding what to do so you can start walking in more harmony, all right? Walking in more peace, creating and developing the third dimension that you want to see by cleaning your vessel. All right. So if you want to enroll in the university, you're welcome to go to UNARepublic.com. The university, what we work on is seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter. Every season we have 8 weeks of sessions. They are 2 hours. We have 3 sessions a week. And we want you to be there because you're getting graded, you're getting tests, you're getting homework. This is a real university in each season. So summer starts on the 16th of July and it goes for 8 weeks. Okay, so our seasons are $5,000 per season. However, we do have what we call a financing program. In this financing program, you are going to be responsible for paying $333.33 a month. You pay that for 6 months because you got to enroll for 6 months if you're on the financing program. And then you're going to sign over a financial instrument to UNA as a gift to pay for your enrollment. So the only thing you have to pay for at the end of that 6-month period would be $2,000. But it's $333.33 per month. And then you're signing over a promissory note to pay for the whole 2 seasons. All right, that is simple. We're making it easy for you to get into the university because we want you in there. UNA